All right, let's kick it off. Today is November 29th. Welcome to the Flyte Community Sync. My name is Martin Stein, and I'm your host today. And before we get started, a few housekeeping notes. First, we are recording this community sync, and it's going to be shared on social media, YouTube. It's our channel. If you haven't checked out YouTube for Flyte, go there and check it out. Which brings up another topic. If you haven't checked out Slack, you can find us actually on Slack as well. Go to flyte.org and see how to attend some of the communities that we have on Slack, or the community sync obviously in here, and then of course the blog and the YouTube channel. The agenda for today is packed. I feel like there's a lot of really interesting stuff in here. We have the community updates, which will be presented by Samhita, our developer advocate at Flyte. And I think there's also going to be Niels potentially talking about PyData today. Then we do have a very interesting demo about Union ML and Bento ML. It's a demonstration by Niels. And after the demonstration, we go and have a very interesting conversation with the Pajama team. We have Marie from Pajama here, and we have Bernhard from Pajama here. And we're going to talk about Pajama's, what is Pajama's business, Pajama's use of Flyte, and also the challenges they have seen and where they are today and what their roadmap for the future might look like. So with that, I'm just going to hand it over to Samhita, and Samhita will present and give us the community updates.
Yeah. Hey everyone, my name is Samhita. I'm with the Union AI team. Next slide, please. Niels will be hosting a production-grade machine learning with Flyte workshop at PyData Global this year. This workshop will help you understand how Flyte can overcome the MLOps challenges, and you can get a hands-on experience of building ML pipelines with Flyte. This will be happening on December 3rd from 7 to 8:30 a.m. PT. This is a virtual event, so you can grab your tickets at the link that I specified here. We'll also be sharing this link on Slack. And if you want to take a look at the content of the workshop, then you can visit the PyData site. I'm sure this is going to be an interesting workshop, so please do check it out. And next slide, please. We have an upcoming webinar on operationalizing machine learning, an interview study paper followed by a panel discussion. This talk will discuss the results from a semi-structured interview study of ML engineers spanning different organizations and applications to understand their workflow, best practices, and challenges. In addition, we invited a panel of industry experts to discuss MLOps pain points, challenges, and check in on their MLOps tooling advice. Rolando Garcia will be presenting the paper at this event. And as for the panelists, we have Fabio Gratz, and we also have panelists from Striveworks, Lyft, and other organizations, which we'll be revealing soon. And this will be happening on December 6th from 1 to 2:15 p.m. PT. This is a virtual event. To RSVP, you can visit the union.ai/events page. Please do visit the site and RSVP and join the event. And Ryan Nazareth, Daniel Shai, and Jeremy Smith are our contributors of the month. They are our Hacktoberfest contributors as well. And thanks to Katrina P for helping the Flyte community on Slack. And thanks to all the other contributors who are helping Flyte grow. So yeah, thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Samhita. That's fantastic. We'd love to make sure that hopefully in the next community sync, we can also get contributors in here again. Would be great to have them talk. So fantastic. Thanks for the update. I'm just going to close the session out here with the typical shout out and pointing at the links and resources here. We have office hours. Teams usually, that's another point, Marie and Bernard, using the office hours, sitting down and getting some time with Haitham or Katrina or Samhita on specific questions, but also on the Slack channel. That's really, the engagement tool number one. We do have a YouTube channel to see those talks and our open source community syncs. We do have newsletters that come out monthly. They're also on the web now moving forward. And as we head into December quickly, we will have on December 13th our next community sync with Katrina Palin Mustache and Rahul Mehta from Theorem. So I'm looking forward to that one. And as always, be safe, be well, and thank you to all of the attendees today. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.